At home and abroad, energy is key to everything the Army does. The Army is preparing for long-lasting disruptions to our energy supply systems because ensuring energy resilience gives us the power to win.
Energy is important for Army readiness because the ability to accomplish our mission, protecting U.S. security interests home and abroad, requires uninterrupted access to energy.
Natural, physical, and cyber threats can impede mission readiness and disrupt the Army's access to secure and reliable energy. Physical threats pose an increased risk to our energy systems. Natural threats can result in major disruptions to energy systems and supply chains. And cyber threats pose an increased threat to vital infrastructure. Foreign adversaries currently have the ability to disrupt vital infrastructure for days or even weeks. Senior Army leadership is prioritizing Army energy resilience.
From installation readiness to battlefield sustainment, I can attest to the importance of power and energy to our Army. Energy resilience is operationally necessary, mission critical, and financially prudent.
Energy resilience enables Army readiness. Readiness begins on our installations. As such, installations are adapting to make smarter energy and water choices to be able to maintain critical operations during unexpected outages.
The Schofield plant's a force multiplier. It provides stable power and in the case of an emergency can power Schofield and the surrounding community. Its ability to use multiple fuels allows for wind and solar to extend our fuel resources. It serves as a means for which to power the grid for Schofield Barracks and the surrounding community.
The Army is working to modernize energy systems to enhance energy resilience. To assess the reliability of our installation energy, the Army is conducting energy resilience readiness exercises and unplugging from the local power grid. These tests help installations identify capability gaps, which can be targeted for action, and when successful, demonstrate energy resilience for critical missions.
So from our energy readiness resiliency exercise we recently conducted here at Fort Bragg, was a test of our overall system. And we needed to do that because having power, having water, having sewer capability, those are all assumptions that affect the readiness of the force.
We lost power here on Fort Knox for a number of days. What we decided after that happened is we need a type of backup system that will allow us to be independent of the power grid that provides power to Fort Knox external to the installation. That's why we came up with our energy initiative. In effect, making Fort Knox energy independent.
The Army is preparing for the next generation of warfare. By increasing soldier power, enhancing vehicles and weapon performance, the Army is improving soldier lethality, mobility, and survivability. Upgraded components in the Paladin M109 self-propelled howitzer provide electrical power to replace hydraulic systems, increasing precision, lethality, and speed.
As the multi-domain battlefront now includes cyberspace, installations have become launching stations with energy as the sustaining mission lifeblood and energy resilience, which keeps that mission lifeblood flowing in times of hostile attacks and activities.
Energy resilience enables Army readiness and gives us the power to win.